What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Nick.tv. Today I'm doing an unboxing. I know I didn't really want to do unboxings, but I got a really special package here. I've been waiting 3 years for this package. So I thought I'd make a little video and show you guys what's inside. So I ordered this, actually I helped fund a Kickstarter campaign in 2015. And I've been waiting ever since to get the product that I helped fund. Now this product is sort of a motion capture suit. It's called PrioVR. It's made by Yoast Labs, which you might see here. It was a happy sight for me to see at the post office today. Get rid of that stuff. What's this? That is my invoice. Down payment was 3 years ago. Throw that. There we go. PrioVR Dev Kit, just what I've been waiting for. So this PrioVR Dev Kit, it's a full body motion tracking suit designed by Yoast Labs. They made this sort of to appeal to the video game VR, virtual reality market. But for me in particular, my use cases are going to be to use this for motion capture while I make a video game. Now, I've been working on a video game for about, well, several video games for the last 14 or 15 years. I started when I was about 13. And having my own motion capture suit, this is something I've always wanted. So my 3-year wait, it's finally over. Let's dig into this. There it is. This is so exciting. PrioVR Dev Kit Quick Start Manual. I'll get to that later. Oh. This looks like the bodysuit. Now the bodysuit houses the main computer of the suit, which communicates with your development computer, and all of the tracking sensors, which, as you can see, they actually comes with straps, Velcro straps, so you can attach to your arms and legs. I'll figure out what all those are when the time comes. Pretty good build quality. Whole body suit. Lots of cables. Now each one of these sensors connects directly to the main computer via these stretchy cables, kind of like your old phone cords hanging on the walls. Are you old enough to remember those? That's pretty cool. Looks like we got a USB to mini USB cable. And another one. Oh, it's actually got a little joystick. I guess you can program different, use this as a gaming controller. That's neat. It looks like it connects right into the suit too. Oh, left and right, they got 2 of them. There we are, that's the brains of the operation. Connects right into the front of the suit, and all your sensors connect individually into here, or it looks like they hub off each other. There's only 6 inputs. Mini USB, I'm guessing a power button. And what makes it all work, these little sensors. They run all in line with each other in the included straps to locate you in space. And as you can see here, it comes with, I'm pretty sure there's 16 sensors in there, all right in there, just tucked in neatly. And this guy, I'm not entirely sure what this is, but I guess I'll find out in the manual. This was packaged on April 13th this year. Yoast Labs has been hitting a lot of speed bumps and production issues along the way. I was starting to get impatient with them, but I finally have it. It's finally here. My kit's here. I can start creating. I can start putting my movements into 3D space, and stay tuned for future videos for sure. Well, that just about wraps it up for this. I just want to do a quick little unboxing, my first time ever. If you have any tips, suggestions, comments, please drop a line down below. And stay tuned to future Nick.TV videos for more exciting unboxings. And if you like the video, hit that like button down below. Hit subscribe if you want to see more of me. Hit that bell notification if you want to see all my new videos coming into your inbox when I post them. And until next time, have a good one.